It's been a while since I've done a video, but today we're going to visit the photography show. The photography and video show in the Excel Centre in London Docklands 2025. All the manufacturers have their own space and showing off their latest gear, which you can play with. So all the manufacturers, OM systems here. You got Nikon, you got Canon, and they all got their latest equipment on show for you to play with. Apart from the major manufacturers, there's lots of other stages. There's lots of other people selling all sorts of camera gear. Here we can see tripods, Godox, which is mainly flash, I guess. All their high-end stuff. We got Think Tank, we got Peak Design, Zion, I hear, I don't know how you pronounce that. And there's filters, there's soft boxes, there's everything you can think of. Bags are useful because you can actually see what the bag is like rather than ordering it online. So it's not too busy at the moment because they've just opened the doors, and so we're just walking around. And here's the Creative Hub's set. They've got a little stand, and there's people like RSPB, that was a wildlife thing. And then you come round the corner and there's this little company here that's selling sort of they're like little light box things. They're all just made of plastic and all fold away. And then you got this Photo Pro, which is a Chinese company, Kavik, another Chinese company, and they're all selling tripods and ball heads. The amount of ball heads they do is unbelievable. So here we are on Benro. Benro, again, a well-known name in the UK. Intech. Now this is fascinating. This lets you control Photoshop, Lightroom. This handy little seat. And of course there's lots of stages. PAGB, disabled, London Camera Exchange. And this is our meeting with Gavin Hoey, who is from Adorama TV fame, the YouTube channel. Hello, Gavin. All right.
Hey, hang on. Are we live?
Yeah, we are. How excited was you doing SMIC videos back in the day? No, you don't have to answer that.
Yeah, honestly, I'm still using some of the kit. So, yeah, I've still got.
I want it back.
Some of it you can have. I think I've still got a flash hanging around.
I know, that's
really tall lights.
Real old sort of, yeah.
Oh, these were great days.
Yeah. Gavin used to make videos for SMIC back in the day. You have to go back 15 years in our YouTube account to see some of the videos that he made. And I like to think that he cut his teeth making videos for us before he went on to Adorama TV. So Adobe's got their own stand, and here we got Joel Grimes speaking. There's sets and stages and everything else. Tamron have got their little stand here with all their lenses into 360, which is very interesting, and you can get a demo. XR, which is a database program. Three-legged thing showing off all their tripods and ball heads. Macro photography, Adalux, Yongyu, and one of Gavin's demos.
Well, there it is. So thank you for coming, everybody. Got any questions? Feel free to ask. We've done that. Yeah. Okay. So first things first. Let's see if we can work out